Hi, my name is Mona, and I'm the Blind Traveler. Follow me along to see what adventures I'll get into today. Today, I'm in Lebanon.
Lunch by the waterfall of Shalalat al-Zarqa in the city of Baakleen.
Okay, hey guys, I'm coming to you from Baakleen Valley in Lebanon, where there's this amazing set of waterfalls. They built an entire restaurant around them. We actually paddled out on a little wooden boat. Yeah, this is where we have dinner. Madeline and I living up the high life.
Hope you enjoyed The Blind Traveler. If so, like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. And if you're interested to see how I travel as a blind person, check out my series, Planes, Trains, and Canes. The link is listed below.